Hello everyone, this is Emily. Welcome to beststew.com. Today, we are going to the inspection area together. In Huadu, we have 3 times quality check for each order. The first time is the testing of materials. Our quality inspectors will do a comprehensive inspection of materials in strick according to the customer's requirements. The second time is to test the product parts. This time, we are going to pick some parts at random for accurate measurement, including the size. Make sure there are no defective products. The third time is the assembly test of products. As shown in this video, check how easy it is to install and whether the various parts fit together perfectly. And finally, we will provide video and pictures information to our customers. We always keep a rigorous attitude towards our customers and products. Thanks for choosing beststew.com.